Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve joining server on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter or you will click on the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat here and you can update your app in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.